What's up? My name's Justin. I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today's video, we're going to talk about Foam Daddy and open some of their stuff up. Say hello to my little friend. This is about everything you need to set up for a foam machine party. And it's pretty much boxed up. I went and bought all of it. I got some stuff coming still. Got like a tent coming and some other stuff from Amazon. But this is the bulk of it and everything I could buy actually local. The rest I ordered on Amazon. This right here is all the products from Foam Daddy, like the solution and stuff. I believe that's my foam machine right here. This is a speaker that I got from Sam's Club. I bought these trash cans and this trash can. They're blue because my theme is red, white, and blue. So that's actually something you're going to realize here in a minute. But blue trash can, 44 gallon brute. And then I got the little thing so it actually moves on wheels too, just to make life easier. Should have bought two of them. Little fan to blow the foam around so it doesn't pull by your feet or at all. Mixer, goes on a drill. Bucket to mix it in. This marine hose. I got this to go from the bucket to my foam machine. And the reason I got it is because it's white and blue. I bought this one. It's a smaller hose too, 25 feet, with good connections on it. This goes on to the end of the hose that goes for filling my water up. This is a project. I'm going to store my foam solution in this. And I'm going to cut a hole in there, caulk it. Caulk them for the warehouse. I felt like I should have them. So it's a kind of a habit to just buy a bunch of tools when you're a guy. But yeah, this, I'm going to cut a hole in there, stick it through, and then use this as a spacer and caulk it. And just boom, foam solution. And I can put a little nozzle so it goes down on this. I have a 4-way coming so I can get to any water source at all. I have a power strip coming, but it's not just like a power strip. It's actually like a standing one with 4 different plugs so it winds up. This way it's off the ground. This way so water doesn't get into it or anything like that. But I got black lights coming. I got truss coming for the black lights. What else do I got coming? I have tents coming. I have barriers coming to go around this as well. Alrighty, so I'm going to open up this foam machine. Hopefully I don't cut myself on camera. This way. Oh, it's almost finished. Let's pause for a second so I can clean up all these peanuts, like Jesus. Sweet. So, clean up the peanuts. Man, I can just walk around with this thing. Dual cannon it. Put this down for a second. And we'll show you some more. So, I forgot I had this stand in the corner. But this is the stand that goes onto. So I'm going to unbox this too. Let's go for it. So So yeah, Foam Daddy. This is the place you want to go to if you want a foam machine for the most part. Hope I didn't break anything. Bad thing about doing this on camera is I can't say it was broken during shipping either. Bear with me, people. Okay. Oh, what the hell's going on? So this is a pain. I don't think both these holes line up, so you can't put both these pins in at the same time. I'm probably doing something wrong, so these knobs... running out of space here. These knobs will actually tighten it, so you can raise it up and down. Like, if you want to raise this up and down, you can't that way with these. But this one is the same thing for this one, but it's a lock. You can't put both locks in at the same time. I don't know. Probably doing something wrong, but let me put my foam machine on. So we grab this. It looks like... Alright, something wrong. Okay, so I actually think the part for that is in this box right here. So we shall see. And watch this be the box that has the instructions in it. So then I wanted to show you this too. I'm not going to read this because I think this is a lot to read. But I was just going to pan it and kind of show it all. So if you want to blow it up and read it or whatever, you know what I mean? Do your own stuff. Oh. Foam Daddy water bottle. I love merch. Yes. This is exactly what I was talking about. This is what I needed. More merch. Always nice. Got foam gel. Some more foam gel. UV glow powder from Foam Daddy. Ooh la la. I don't know what's in here. Oh, yeah. More merch. More Foam Daddy cups. Sweet. One of the black lights for the foam parties. Just to show you how the glow works. Sweet. Put this on. That's probably these are most like the bolts and stuff for that. Yeah, exactly. And then we got the utility pump. Superior pump. That's for the foam stuff. So yeah. Okay. Foam Daddy stickers. Bunch of Foam Daddy stickers.
Yo, I want some for my car.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna put Foam Daddy in the Foam Daddy.
Yeah, I'll definitely put one on my car.
comes with a wrench. Yeah, look at all this merch they sent me. So here she is, the foam cannon, all set up. It took long enough. Here's the bracket and the bolt. This thing's awesome too. It even has a grease fitting, like back here, so you can grease that bearing. The stand's cool. I even had this taller. I might have it taller. I liked how it was crazy. It was probably like that much taller. I probably had an extra foot in the air for no reason at all. But you take that barrel, put it right there, attach a hose to that. You're cooking with peanut oil, baby. And mix yourself some foam, maybe put some UV glow in there, and you're good. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox all this other stuff later, and I'm going to put a link in the description so you can see like all the other videos and all the other equipment that you need to go with this foam daddy machine. This is the stacker cannon, but yeah, basically just like the speaker there, you know what I mean? So yes, this is the solution, and that's some UV glow stuff. And like I said, I'm going to do a bunch of other reviews and other videos, and this is the big shot. Like, this is a little nozzle thing. Like, this is awesome. First of all, it's made in America, and it's assembled by veterans. And second of all, like, it's just cheap. It's like $8-9, and it does exactly what I want to do for the foam daddy thing. So I think it's going to be a nice little investment. I'll do a review on that as well. What else I have coming? I have, instead of a wire strip, I have a coming. I have a